Nangaminladi.
Aunty Munya, the question for today
Yes.
is a very popular one. It's around Aboriginal seasons.
Mhm.
And this person was asking, how do they find out if there's a seasonal calendar or what the seasons are for the area they were in Queensland?
Mhm.
How would you go about that?
One of the first places to go to, Carla, is through CSIRO. They've got a website full of seasonal calendars, Aboriginal seasonal calendars, and they're adding to them all the time. So you check there first of all to see if there's anything available for your language group in your area. And if it's not, then I would suggest going to all of those Indigenous organisations that can assist, places like Aboriginal land councils, medical services, and so forth.
And particularly also traditional owner groups.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
You could try your local national parks or
Yeah.
any organisations.
And as an act of allyship, you might want to assist those communities to get that calendar together. You may have graphic art skills, for instance, or writing skills, and enable the community produce that information. So,
yeah, I remember Aunty Munya, I was working down Yalada down in South Australia and looking after a group looking after country, and that's something that we had the kids involved in, was that seasonal calendar.
Yeah.
And Aunty Munya, I think there's a book also coming, a children's book from you about seasonal calendar.
Yeah, we're talking to a publisher at the moment, so I've done a book on an Aboriginal seasonal calendar on Bardi culture.
So thanks, great question, and have a look at all those seasonal calendars, even if there isn't one for your area, because they're just so colourful and beautiful. And Yidikul Gona.
Go well.